star of the show is like these really like long curly baby hairs. I was inspired by Dearra Taylor's recent Instagram photos, and I was like, okay, I feel like that's something that I could kind of do, and I feel like I did okay with it. What's good, you guys? It's Wavy Spice here, and today I'm coming to you guys with a really exciting video. I'm just going to be doing a hair tutorial. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I create videos on mid-size fashion, beauty, and New York lifestyle. I create videos for people that do not typically fit into your beauty standards. So you might be mid-size, you might be plus size, you might be dark skin, you might just be simply a woman of color, you don't fit into the mold, but you also don't give up. So that's who I create my content for, are people that are trying to get to that stage in life. So yeah, definitely follow me on all of my social media. I do have Instagram, TikTok. I'll have all that good stuff linked below. But yeah, we're doing a hair tutorial on this really cute long braid. And the star of the show is like these really like long curly baby hairs. I was inspired by Dearra Taylor's recent Instagram photos, and I was like, okay, I feel like that's something that I could kind of do, and I feel like I did okay with it. But yeah, I just wanted to post some content for you guys. I haven't made a video in a really long time. I do plan on, you know, doing like an update video for you guys. But yeah, just don't want to talk too long, and we can just get right into this video. So if you guys want to see how I got this cute ass braid, then just continue watching. Okay, so I just used a couple of different things for this. I did start off on blow dried hair, and I had blow dried my hair on a cool setting. So you're gonna need a little curl wand like this. You're also going to need gel. I use Eco Styler gel. I don't want to grab that right now. Everyone knows what Eco Styler gel looks like. Also got to be freeze spray. And I did use some edge control, the Pattern Beauty edge control, and I also used that in combo with the Got To Be glue for my edges. I also used 2 pieces. It was like a 3-pack of jumbo braid hair, and I used like 2 pieces. I probably could have used 3, but I ended up using 2, and I still think it came out like, I don't have the thickest of hair, so I still think it came out like pretty good. So yeah, really quick and simple. So I will just hop right into the clip of how I did this. Initially, I'm just gonna start off by getting my hair all up in one ponytail. This is not the original ponytail, so it's not gonna be very tight. I then go in and start taking out like a bunch of baby hairs, and I decided to cut my baby hairs a few months ago, so that's why my hair is so short in the front. So yeah, take all of those out, and then I just twisted them up, and now this is where I'm going to go in and do the real ponytail. I suggest using 2 ponytail holders just to make sure that the base is super stable. I did use Eco Styler gel and the Got To Be freeze spray to like get it nice and slick. And then I'm going in with my jumbo braid hair. So I decided to tie the fake hair on the bottom. So my real hair is on top, fake hair is on the bottom. And then I go in and I separate it out into 3 sections. I did also use a little bit of gel just to kind of mesh my hair with the fake hair. Oh, and I did take out a little bit of a piece to like wrap around at the end. I just tied that around my shirt to keep it out of the way. Separated it into 3 pieces, and then I just start braiding. So with the braid, super simple. You just do it how you would do a braid. I suggest starting with your hands towards the back first, just to make sure that everything is like nice and straight. And then once you get some decent length, you can bring it around front to just make it easier for you to braid. Yeah, super simple at this point. I just tie it with a nice little hair tie at the end. And then I used some Eco Styler gel on that last piece and wrapped it around and clipped it right at the top. And now for these edges. So I started off by blow drying them just to try to get them as straight as possible. Then I went in with my flat iron, and that's where I went ahead and pressed it out in small sections, and I did do some curls. I did end up going back and curling it a little bit better with my curling wand, just because the curling wand could get a little bit closer on those tiny hairs. But if your hair is longer, you could probably do it with the iron. And then I just decided to go in with my Eco Styler gel, just kind of like play around with it. However your hair flows is how you should kind of like lay your baby hairs. This is like the freestyle section. After you use that after you use the edge control, I went back on for like extra reinforcement with the got to be glue, just to make sure that it stayed in place. And then I just went ahead and put my scarf on to lay everything down. Okay, so here's what the finished look looked like. I ended up having to, my hair is not as long as Dearra's. I definitely had to use some like eyeshadow to fill in my edges a little bit, which hopefully they don't look crazy. But I had to end up using this curling wand to like curl those little pieces. But I think it's pretty cute. I'm gonna come back to you guys after I have like my outfit and everything on.